Okay, this is a Kohler Pro 13. Here's the Super Swamper tires with some kind of fluid in them made out of molasses. Here's a hydraulic pump. It's pretty new. The seat from a VAC case. And swivel. Here's the pressure adjuster. You turn that in for more pressure. Here's the valves for the loader. Trailer tires with full weight bearings on them. The 44 loader. Here's how you steer it, left and right. A joystick for a bobcat. Got a pretty new battery in it, big one. There's how I work the pump. The motor is put on the opposite side of the pump. It mounts perfectly good there. Easy to get it on and off and work on it. Okay. brand new carbon alternator, battery, and starter on it. Pull the choke, turn it on. Okay, here's the 108. It runs nice. Everything works on it. Got a little hitch on the back. It's all homemade. Club Cadet that's sold. Cub Cadet original. Got some junk piles on it. Cadet original. Got a little bird crap on it. Runs perfect. Here's a little hang tag I got made for it. Here's a little 3-point hitch we made for it. Kind of nice for plowing a little trench for burying wires and stuff. Works good for that. All original. The original grill and hood ornaments, all nice. Brand new tires all around on it. This is a neat old tractor. It's all hydro. Got hydraulic lift in that. It's got a 3-point hitch on it. I put some weights on there just to balance it out for the blade. Got chains on it now. We use that for pushing snow. Got two old Bollins tractors. They're kind of neat. That one don't have a motor. The other one runs. Got this little 18.5 horse Onan Sears. Got 300 hours on it. Runs nice. One of my favorites, a 57 David Bradley with an electric motor on it. Works good. It's missing the batteries right now. Here I have a 129. I have two of these. This is my baby here, a 107. Just started fixing on it. Here's a nice old Sears tractor I fixed up. The only one I got left that hasn't been sold yet. It's restored. Urethane paint on it. Got an office chair on it. It's pretty nice. I put plastic over it. Got your hubcaps.
Wheel weights.
Got lights, got a tail light. All new tires in the back. New tires. That old motor is just the way it was. It still runs good. An old Tecumseh with points.